Alright, go ahead. Egads, my fellow lads, do you see that funky creature loping up the city street towards me? Could it be some rangy man, hybrid cross orangutan? I can't say with specificity. What's your purpose here, you freak? Are you capable of speech? It just passes me a crumpled note. It reads your music is weak, I have exactly what you need. Then the monster makes to clear his throat and sings, pipsqueak, now your song is complete. I'm your ginger monkey, pipsqueak, do you hear my little shriek? I'm your ginger monkey, pipsqueak, get up on your feet for the ginger monkey, pipsqueak, I'm the one that keeps the beat. I'm your ginger monkey. So now the beast has joined the band, clutching mallets in each hand. We can't control him, he just do what he please. See him frothing at the mouth with limbs a flailing all about, like he's afflicted with some dreadful disease. The mutant lives on a strict diet of maggoty, roadkill and bushlight. He is a much detested goat. He thrives on terrorizing crowds with rolling percussive thunderclouds and the wailing of his sour notes. He sings, pipsqueak, now your song is complete. I'm your ginger monkey, pipsqueak, do you hear my little shriek? I'm your ginger monkey, pipsqueak, get up on your feet for the ginger monkey, pipsqueak, I'm the one that keeps the beat. I'm your ginger monkey. It's not bad.